Hey friends, so I'm excited you guys are still liking the vlogs. It's funny because I said I don't know if I'm going to do Vlogmas, and I've done vlogs every single day. But every day I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to keep doing it because it does take a lot to edit the vlogs, but I feel like it's so fun. And if you guys are liking them, then I'm just loving to do them. And it's been like a good change, you know, just to do some everyday vlogging. But yeah, I hope you've been having an amazing holiday season. I hope that you're just keeping the joy of the Lord with you, because he is truly your strength. Okay, just hold on to God, hold on to happiness, choose to be happy. Things I like to do to keep my happiness is, first of all, pray, read my Bible, of course Jesus. I also like to listen to Christmas music. Do any of you guys like to listen to Christmas music? That just automatically makes me immediately happy. There are certain YouTube channels that I like, especially ones that like travel and I can see the world through other people's eyes. I love vlogs like that. People that live in like other countries, or people that travel to other places that I like to travel to. I like watching things like that. I like drinking my favorite drink. I had said in a vlog that my husband makes my favorite drink, and you might have been like, is that it? Well, yes, because I don't use sugar. So it's just steamed almond milk and honey inside. And he used to put like pumpkin spice in it. That was good. It made it seem really holiday-ish. And nutmeg, until I found out, sorry, I think I've been cutting my head off, that too much nutmeg is not good for you. So I actually stopped completely. So I just stick with my warm honey and milk, and it's just such a cozy drink. So yeah, those are just some things. Find joy in the little things. Find joy that you are alive today, and that God's mercy is new every day, and that it's a new day to start over, to start fresh in God, to start fresh in health, to start fresh in happiness. Let's do this. All right, y'all. It is a new day, and I'm getting ready to meet a friend for lunch. I'm super excited about that. Why was I excited? Because I was like, I get to listen to Christmas music on the way there. Like, that's gonna make the ride even more enjoyable. But I wanted to wear, and this earring is doing something weird. I don't know what this is doing. Is it bent? Anywho, I wanted to try this headband tutorial that I saw. The headbands that we used to wear in 7th grade are coming back in. I have one and I wanted to try this. Okay, so you need a headband. I'm gonna put this on with the seam in the back. Take 2 pieces out in the front, and then they say you tie it underneath your chin. I'm just gonna do it like loose because I don't want that little curl to leave. Okay. And then I'm gonna pull it up like so. So it's looking like this. That's cute. And then undo it. I guess so I could wear it like, no, that's not right. So you take a piece back here, and you take this piece and you tie it like this. And then you pull your hair over like that. And I have like curtain bangs, so this is probably gonna fall, but oh, okay. That is cute. Okay, let's do this side. You take this piece and this piece and put it this way. Squeeze it up and then pull your back hair over. I feel like maybe I should do that a little bit tighter. I guess if you don't have curtain bangs, it gives you the illusion of curtain bangs. So, what do you guys think? Y'all, I had to cut in here because I was editing and I was saying, what do you guys think? And I didn't even show you the top of my head. So this is the top. This is what the headband looks like. It kind of blends in because of my hair color is so dark, but yeah, let's go back. So yeah, and I also love the foundation. I told you all, I've been liking, or did I tell you? The Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation is so good. I've wore it for the last, every day I've vlogged that I've had on makeup, I've had this on, and I've wore it every time I put on makeup. It's just so good. Let me just go ahead and tell you guys. So I use the Sephora Best Skin Ever. I use Conair setting powder by Huda Beauty. I used the Benefit Bang Mascara that I told you all about earlier. And I used the Trendsetter lipstick. Remember I said I was going to tell you what I thought in the true color. This is the true brown, and I like it. What I've realized is it's a little bit darker than the matte chestnut. But yeah, that, and then my Wet n Wild lipstick that I use in the middle all the time. I love it. I love today's look. Okay, time to go meet up with a friend. I'm so excited. Here a little earlier, so I had to stop in Sephora. Setting spray. So good. The Sephora collection has so many good things, and they're a lot cheaper than the other makeup products, and they work just as good. This is the foundation. I love it so much. It's only $22. Guys, I am leaving from my dinner and I'm so like emotional. And she gave me a gift after we had our lunch. She is the sweetest, most caring friend. I'm so grateful to God for her. So today has been just an amazing day. My heart is full. I got to spend some time with my really good friend. And like I said, I showed you all earlier, I left with a gift. She got me a gift. I'm just so grateful to have friends that like really care for you and they love Jesus, and you can have like conversations about God and not like just gossip and just messy, but you leave feeling good. Like, she is so encouraging, and like we just encourage each other, and it just really felt great.
I call you the friends minister.
We minister to each other. It's a blessing.
Yeah. But and you really love your friends too.
I do. No, I really do. We just got back from Kroger, and so anything you want to say to the vlog before we say goodbye and see you on the next one tomorrow?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You know, if you want to grow your natural hair,
Daryl,
put your makeup on. I know you want the blush. You gotta get the foundation. You gotta get the lip combo. You gotta get the mascara. You gotta get the concealer. Yeah.
And he really knows these things because he's always in the stores with me.
Anyway, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get the hydro face.
The hydro grip?
Hydro.
Wait, I really want the listen, you know how you said what do you want for Christmas? I would like the milk hydro grip. You just said it. You just said the hydro grip. It's the primer. I want to try it.
I'm talking about the face hydration booster. You talking about something else?
You said milk hydro. You're talking about
no milk.
Oh, you're talking about the Neutrogena.
Intolerant.
Okay, bye y'all.